5 things you need to know before traveling to Amsterdam. Number 1, beware of the bicycles. Yeah, you will see a lot of tourists get in the way of bicycles because there are plenty of bicycles here, and if you're in their way, you better get out of it because they drive like maniacs. I'm used to Copenhagen. They drive like maniacs in Copenhagen. It is worse down here. Number 2, Amsterdam is a walkable city, which means that you will not need a car. So don't rent a car. You can walk around, and if you are, well, don't want to walk that much, there is a perfectly good public transport system. And best of all, some of the ferries are free. Yes, not a part of the ticketing system. No, they're part of the walkway. So they are completely free. Number 3, you will smell the devil's nectar, the weed in the garden. Well, many names for the same thing. You'll smell it sometimes around here, but it is not that often as I would expect. It is not all over the city. It is coming in waves. So yeah, be mindful that you will smell it, but also know that it is worse in Berlin. Yeah, in Berlin I could smell it all over. Here, it comes and goes. I can still smell it, and it is a potent smell, but it will come and go. Number 4, Amsterdam is a cultural city. There's plenty of museums. I will link it up in the corner. The video you need to see all the museums, but it is a museum city. And with the Amsterdam card, you will actually get free access to 54 of the museums, as I recall it, some free canal tours, free public transport. That is what I use down here. Hashtag not sponsored, but I like the deal because the deal is quite good. Number 5, Amsterdam is often called Venice of the North, but that should be, well, the other way around. Venice should be called Amsterdam of the South, because there are more canals here than there are in Venice. Well, if you take the canals from Amsterdam, they will stretch beyond Paris. If you take Vienna's canals, they will stretch at least half as far. So yeah, more canals, and it is actually a way of transportation. They use the canals quite often, and it is used for many things, and especially out in these small streets. So yeah, remember to take a boat tour while here. And if you want to know more about the cultural side of Amsterdam, then check out this video right here, where I visit all the museums of Amsterdam.